Hello everybody, welcome to this market report. My name is Christian Charlo. Today we're Tuesday, August 12, 2014. Today folks, I want to talk to you about a movement that is starting among gold stocks. But this movement that we have among gold stocks today folks is not being followed by gold. So which means that those of you who want to participate in that movement, I'm going to show you the list of the best breakouts, but just to make sure, favorite stocks that at least are breaking their important support. And because we see that gold is not following this movement, I think it's also a sign that you should definitely be picky in your type of stocks, because even if companies hedge their exposure to gold, still we need gold price to go higher to at least confirm that those gold stocks can at least continue their rise. So let's take a look here at the situation. You see here gold GLD is staying clearly within a sideways formation, while the gold sector is clearly starting a bullish cycle. The thing is, I think if ever we see the gold sector throughout the day able to stay above the 200 points, I think that those of you who are buying some positions today should continue to hold on to them. But if ever we see the sector going below 200 points, you might have to consider to slightly reduce the positions that you're buying today. So what are the type of pattern that you should favor to buy? Actually, on marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free just by clicking at the link below on marketgurus.tv. We publish a list of the best breakout in the sector, and so far the breakouts that we've shown this morning, most of them have been able to maintain their momentum. A stock like Guyana Goldfield is a perfect example of a stock that's clearly breaking an important resistance. So a stock like that, I actually will have no problem to get into it, but always make sure that I put my stop loss around $3 on a stock like that for Guyana Goldfields. I love the fact that it's breaking all that important resistance on a yearly basis. Yamana Gold, same situation too, breaking an important resistance on a yearly basis. That stock could continue its rise, but just to make sure, you have to put your stop loss around 937 on Yamana Gold. B2 Gold too is clearly reversing its downward trend. The good thing with B2 Gold is that it has a resistance around 329, 330, but from that price here, 305 to 330, it's about 8%. So definitely there is some potential to make on that stock, even if at 320 you actually take a profit on a stock like that. Now, what are the type of pattern that you should not favor, or that are more at risk, I would say? A stock like Gold Corp, for instance, okay, it's breaking out, but until we reach that resistance at 33, so far I think there's not much potential. There's not even a 10% potential to reach that 33% on $33 on Gold Corp. So this is why I think a pattern like that might be a little bit more risky. A stock like Dorado Gold too, same scenario. It's breaking a resistance there, yes, a slight small sideways formation. It's a breakout, it's an entry point. However, there's still an important resistance that's there at $10. So that thing is actually where I find a little bit of risk on Dorado Gold, because it's not even a 10% for the price that we paid on Dorado Gold. But if you're getting in on a stock like that, I think if ever you see the stock going below 875, you have to get out of it, because it will also reverse this upward trend. Agnico Eagle, same situation. It's a slight breakout too. However, Agnico Eagle still has a top there at 45.60. So from that price to 45.60, it's not even 10%. Now, if ever we have a situation where gold is finally able to follow the bullish movement of the gold sector, where the gold sector is able to actually stay above the 200 points and actually go further up, I think that right now we might have additional breakouts in the sector. And out of those breakouts that I think that, well, potential breakouts that you could watch if ever we have a confirmation of this bullish momentum, are those following stocks: Oceana Gold at 317, Premier Gold Mines at 311, and Rubicon Minerals at 170. Those stocks should be your potential bets. Now, here's the list though. All the stocks you see that are not with an S, all the stocks that are surging today, that are breaking out, that so far, according to us on marketgurus.tv, represent good opportunities to get in. The stocks with an S are stocks where so far we think that in terms of the risk of those stocks, the risk of the entry point is too high. There's not much potential on the upside because of this resistance that's not too far away. And the stocks with an I, that's only and only if we have a confirmation that today's bullish momentum on the gold sector can continue and can actually allow other stocks to follow the breakouts of stocks like Guyana Goldfields, Yamana Gold, or B2 Gold. So this is Christian Charlo for your market report on marketgurus.tv. You can have access to all those strategies, all those stocks, and many more live every day on marketgurus.tv for free for 10 days just by making the free trial. So I wish you folks a good trading and see you next week for your market report.